I shower every day. It's a Virgo full moon tonight, and I am a Virgo. Ah, I'm so excited. Hi guys. Hi guys. So, I did an intro last night. I might just include a few of the clips just because it was kind of a mess. Also, doesn't my nose look like Darth Vader's helmet? Like, I know it's not focusing, but you can briefly see the outline. Good night. But that's funny. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a little room transformation thing, which is kind of fun because my room, you literally cannot move anything. I'm going to give you a little before room tour in a minute, but if you have been watching a few of my videos, you will know I try and find every angle of my room to film, and it's just, like, there is just nothing. There's a bunch, it's a very awkward room. Let me show you a few things. This has no place. Like, it just sits in front of these drawers or on my bed in the day. This doesn't hang on the wall. This has no place. This window ledge sticks out, so I can't really put anything underneath it. There's a ton of doors that just don't open. Same with drawers. Like, these just don't because my bed's in the freaking way. There's a drawer down here, but obviously you can't open it because of this. There's wires on the floor because I have no place to put them. I stained my wall from burning too many candles, so now it's low-key black. Let me give you a room tour. So you walk in here, here's my door. I currently have my dressing gown and some towels on here, just because I shower. Turn around and this is what you see. Yes, this is it. It's kind of a mess, but when is it not? You have my vision board on this radiator, praying it doesn't go up in flames, but you know, we'll see about that one. So then you have my Depop clothes. Check out my Depop. The link's down below. Oh, this is my outfit of today. This is my mirror though. Look, I can't. There is nothing I can do. There is nothing I can do. Like, I can't even show you my whole freaking outfit because of this bed. Then you have some guitars that also don't fit under the window ledge, so it's a bit awkward. Yes, there are Christmas decorations out, which are covered in dust. Are we surprised? Because I'm really not. Those makeup brushes I'm going to wash later, so we're just not even going to talk about the, like, cat hairs all over them. This is me again. Hi! My favourite things in my entire room, my crystals. Comment for a rock tour. Then you have a mini bedside table that you can't get to because this is in the way. This is a measuring tape. Here's some affirmations and pills. My Polaroid wall, but half the people on there I don't like. So maybe we should take that one down because it's causing negative energy in my room. But also memories. We'll see. Then you have my prized possession, my bed. You best believe this is the only place I've been for the past 2 months. That's literally it. Look how awkward the wall is. The wall! It's so annoying. Also, there's fairy lights that I haven't turned on in about 2 years. And my LED lights go round the ceiling of my room. And then they stop behind these folders. Can you see? It's awkward. It's just not cute. This thing, which I'm not going to explain right now because I'm using it for a video that I'm going to film. I have a shopping addiction. Like, I'm not just saying that to be fun and quirky and relatable. Like, literally, you can't get in my wardrobe. That's because there's a massive teddy bear in the way. Like I said, nothing fits in my room, okay? Look, there's still stuff on the floor because I can't get it in the wardrobe. Yeah, this doesn't open, but it is jam-packed. You could not fit one little feather in there. Like, it is tight. I'm joking. Then you're my chest of drawers. Don't ask me what the decoration is. I tried to redo it last night and it's not so cute. Like, decorating with bags, come on Izzy, like, get back in 2021. Get out of 2016. These are also full. Look, my drawers don't open. They are also a mess. 360 room tour. We're gonna decorate. We're gonna move things around. Me with my bad back and my mum with her bad knee. So pray for us. Also, look how dry my skin is around my mouth. Like, sorry to be gross, but look. Oh, I'm back on Accutane for the 3rd time. I love that. I love that so much. I'm going to do a few time lapses and then I think I'm going to buy some things to make my room look pretty. That's why this video might take a while. Enjoy the video. Enjoy my 8-minute long intro. So you might want to... Yeah, so you might want to hoover in... Ew! How long ago did I have a hamster? Okay, so this is where we're at. Clothes on the bed, which I didn't realise I had. Maybe that's why my wardrobe's so full. It's because it's full of school shirts and like a bunch of dresses I haven't worn since like 2010. It opens! Yeah. Justin Bieber. You know, I'm not sure what to do. I forget I have things. I didn't know I had a cap.
How are you going to get past your bed?
Like this. Ew! And it's broken. You will never catch me wearing this.
And your guitars.
Yay! Maybe I just don't have this in front of here. Okay, this is what we have so far. We have my mum. Say hi, mum. It just looks so much bigger. Like I can actually walk. And look. What was I complaining about at the beginning? Now I can see what I'm wearing. Oh, nearly done though. Yay! Look at this. This is a to-do list from year 10. Redo Macbeth revision cards. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am rich. Ew. Oh, will that hoover up?
Yeah.
Ew. I don't know if I should show this.
Oh my god! What is that?
That's pretty grim.
That's disgusting. I'm sorry. I promise I do have hygiene. I shower every day. At least I found the pens I've been looking for about 3 years. My battery's flashing. I'll show you when we're done. I'll show you when we're done today, and then I'll show you if I add any accessories or anything fancy. Bye. Okay guys, I'm done for the day, and it looks so good. It looks so good. Like I can actually walk, which to you is nothing, but to me, I have never been able to do that in my room, and I did not think it was possible to move this around. But here we are. So I'm going to show you the room. So you walk in. Here are my depop clothes. They were on the floor earlier, at least they're on a stand now. It's good. These were the drawers that I could not get into, and I can actually open them. Like, they're a mess. I do need to sort them out. That is all tampons, I know. Look how pretty it is. Obviously, I haven't done all of it. My camera just died, but I'm just going to show you what I've got just for now with my phone. This one needs to be cleared, obviously. I don't normally keep slippers on my desk. This needs to be mounted. This all needs to be sorted. I have a little to-do list in my notes. This, obviously, sorted, whatever. But look, I can open this. I can open all my drawers. I can open all of these. There's my little music corner. I got my ukulele, my drum, and my guitar. Zeke's kind of chilling there. That's my bin. I need to take that out. I'm not done yet. I still have a couple things I need to bring in. I'm so tired. I need to bring in my keyboard and sort of my jewelry and stuff, but that's all going to go up on here. So it will be all sorted. For now, that's it for today. I also turned these fairy lights on, which haven't been turned on in years, and it looks so good. It looks so good. See you in 2 seconds for you, but for me, it might be 2 weeks. Hi guys, it's the next day and I literally just woke up. Like when I tell you I woke up 2 minutes ago, I woke up 2 minutes ago. I had a lesson at 10:45. I woke up at 11:42 and the lesson ended at 11:45 and I did join it. I just opened this cupboard and it is dusty. Cannot remember the last time I opened it, as I showed you at the beginning. In here I'm just going to put all my moisturizers and anything and just stack the cupboard full so that I don't have this mess. Let's go. I had a dream about Eureka from Drag Race and it's actually really freaking scary. She had a dead body taped to her. Ew. I'm just gonna chuck all my jewelry in here for now. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I just have some school stuff up here, moisturizer and some jewelry down here, and then some photos and family stuff down here. I want to get back into bed. Doesn't look the greatest, but we can fix it later. I need to figure out what I want to do with this shelf. I have no idea. How do you make a shelf look pretty? Oh, it look rough. I'm going to take some boxes downstairs. I'll see you when I buy some more stuff. Hi guys, so it's a couple of days later, and I'm going to go out and get some accessories for my room. I need a photo for this wall to cover up that massive candle smoke mark. I'm going to get a few little things just to make it look cute and whatever. While we're here though, let me give you a quick outfit of the day. This top is from Shein. This is from Amazon. These sunglasses, oh my god, I want to wear sunglasses. I haven't worn sunglasses in a year. These are from Pretty Little Thing, I'm pretty sure. I don't freaking know where my jewelry's from. Apart from these rings, which are mostly from Shein, except this one, which is from Pandora. Cute! And my jeans are thrifted from Brighton. I don't know why I didn't say that, because that was the whole reason I did a freaking outfit of the day. Oh, also, if any of you guys are interested in astrology or anything, it's a Virgo full moon tonight, and I am a Virgo, and I've been seeing angel numbers everywhere. So, something good is coming my way, and I'm very excited for it. So I'm just gonna thank the universe now. Thanks, girly. Exhibit A. I didn't even realise. I love the law of attraction. Okay, but now we're going to get me some stuff. Goodbye. Let's go. Also, look how much prettier the lighting is in my room now. I'm so excited. Let's go! My mum left me, I'm on my own. The speaker's really loud. There's puffins. Oh. There's puffins. Okay, so we've got options. This one, or the donkeys. Downstairs are like blasting the music, so I can't really talk to you. But I've got a few things. I've got a lot of flowers, which I wasn't expecting to get. But we've got quite a lot of that. I think I'm just going to stop filming now and show you everything when I'm at home. So I'll see you then. Let's go home. Oh, I'm so tired. Right, so it's the next day and I thought I'd give you like a little haul of everything I bought yesterday. My mum is currently drilling something downstairs, which is really, really loud. So there's something I can do about that. I'm sorry. I just realised this was in the back the whole time. This was the first thing I bought. It does not go with my room, but I freaking love donkeys. Look how cute it is. It's adorable. It's going to go up there above my bed, basically where it's sat right now, just a bit higher and on the wall. And it's really cute. And it's like the one little bit of colour in my room, apart from these. So these I was actually planning on buying in white, but then I thought I'd spice up my room a little bit and get it in red. These are so pretty as well. Like, look how cute they are. I love roses. Like, I know it's so basic, but I freaking love roses. And obviously they're not real. Like, I cannot take care of an actual plant. Actually, that's a lie. When I was in year 8, I had a cactus for 3 years. 3 years. These I'm gonna have sat somewhere making something look elegant. I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna plan that out, but you'll see that obviously. And these were really cheap as well. Normally faux roses are freaking expensive, but these were like £3 or something for the bunch. And then my mum had these vases lying around downstairs. Next I got this mirror. Oh, can you see you? Next I got this mirror, which I'm going to use as like a tray to put in jewellery and all my chains and stuff, because right now I currently have a jewellery holder over there, but I can't hang up like hoop earrings or my chains because they don't fit. So I thought I'd just lay them in here in a messy way and it would still look kind of cute. This was also £5. Bargain. Bargain. Go to the range. And I love the shape of it as well. Most things in my room are white and silver, and for some reason when I was shopping I could not remember the colour of my room apart from white. So I got a couple of gold things, but it's fine because I only wear gold jewellery, so it kind of works with everything I've got anyway. Staying with jewellery, I got these 2 elephants, which I don't know if they're supposed to be jewellery holders, but I am using them as jewellery holders. Look how cute they are. I love it. This one's going to carry my rings, as you can see, and this one is going to have my hoop earrings, but it just works perfectly because this one's too big for rings and this one's too small for earrings, and they're just cute and they go together, and the colouring is literally perfect. Like, it matches my pillows perfectly, and I love elephants. If you don't love elephants, what are you doing? Finally, I have this set of roses, which I have wanted since I was watching Kelsey Simone back in 2018. These, she didn't get them from the range because she's American, she's from New York, but these were $5.99. Like, come on, like, for the mirrored glass and everything, $5.99. What a bargain. Once again, they're fake. They're really cute, and I feel like they just go perfectly with literally everything. And I'm really happy with my purchases. That's literally all I bought. It felt like I was there for longer because we were there for a long time, but apparently that's all I got. So let's just finish the room. My mum's gonna come up and hang this up and obviously take the plastic thing off of it. I'm not having that label on it. Oh yeah, that was like 16 quid. Actually, it was on sale. It was like £13. Bargain. My vision board needs to be hung up, that needs to be hung up, and I just need to wipe down surfaces, but other than that, we're nearly done. Don't I look really cute? Anyway, yeah, that's all for now. I'll do a little time lapse of my mum putting that up if I can remember to film, and of me finishing my room, and then I'll give you the finished look. I'm so excited. Right, bye. Sorry, you were looking at a little crusty. Okay guys, so I am officially done. And I'm so excited. So before I end this video, I'm obviously going to show you what my room looks like after. I'm going to show you in the day and the night. So here's it in the day. And here is it at night, where I think it looks literally a million times better because it's just like the lights just make it with the little fairy lights and the colour. Oh, it just looks so perfect. So that's my room. I now have space to do stuff. That was never a thing before. I can walk in my £2 Primark slippers. Oh my god, this was a journey. Thank you for coming on it with me. Thank you to my mum for literally putting everything up. Let me know your favourite part of the room down below. My favourite bit is probably this bit. I don't know why, it just looks so cool. I think it's the roses at the back and the jewellery holder. Oh, I'm obsessed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!